Hi everyone, I'm Alexandra and let me show you how I've been using Dadan's meeting recorder lately. If you're someone who sits through a lot of calls and then spends even more time trying to remember what was said, this is going to help. I used to either take notes during meetings and then miss half of the conversation, or not take notes at all and then struggle later. So now I just use Dadan's meeting recorder and let it handle everything in the background. Once it's set up, Dadan automatically joins your meetings as a bot. So whether it's a Zoom, Google Meet, or Teams call, it shows up, records the meeting, and captures everything for you. I don't have to click record. I don't have to remember anything. It just happens. And the best part is, even if I'm not the host, I can just paste the meeting link here and add it. And the bot joins the call automatically. After the meeting ends, the recording is already saved in my dashboard, and along with that, I get a full transcript and summary of what was discussed. So instead of rewatching a full 30 or 40-minute call, I just skim through the key points. If I need something specific, like a decision or an action item, I can just jump straight to that part instead of digging through the entire video.
Good point. Let's weigh the impact on our release deadline for each issue.
This has been especially useful for things like client calls, team syncs, or even interviews where I don't want to miss anything important. And if I need to share it with someone who couldn't attend, I just send them the link. They can watch it, go through the summary, and get context without me having to explain everything again. So if you're constantly in meetings and relying on memory or messy notes, this makes the whole process way easier. And that's how I use Dadan's meeting recorder. Go check it out.